This 2022 Stealth Trailers Nomad 26FB is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll find your opposing sofas, which can be converted into 2 sleeping areas. Above your sofa is a flat-screen TV and a multimedia head unit. Next to this is your kitchen. Here you'll find your sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop, a convection microwave, and a fridge. In the back of the trailer, you'll find your storage space for toy hauling. On the ceiling is a bed on a lift system. In the front of the trailer is your bathroom. Returning outside, make note of the location of your exterior shower and power hookup. On the entry side, you'll find 2 exterior speakers. In the front, you'll find a pass-through storage area. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description. Or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.